How to buy KAANCH network token. So this token came under the symbol of KANCH. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. As you can see, this token, before going on by this token, make sure to check their X accounts and keep following their updates about this token. Now, if you click on their official website here, what you need to do here, I will just open their website here, as you can see. So this token, it's in the pre-sale right now. Now, the only way to buy this token, it's from their website. Now, what you need to do here, just click on buy KAANCH like that, and you will be redirected directly to their pre-sale page. So this is it. Now, what you need to do here, first, just connect your wallet from here. I'll select your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet as always. Click on connect. So after you connect your wallet, now what you need to do is select the token. I will use the USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet that you will be connected on their pre-sale page. So here type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will see of the token. After that, click on buy. So because I don't have any balance, I can see here the buy now. So for you, just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy KAANCH token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.